Hello guys, my name is Shubham Singh. So today we will create a new video for this is the first video to create a module from the scratch. So please see each and every one how we will proceed. So what I need to go, I will go through the Sublime editor, and what you need to do first, you can select our project in Sublime editor itself. You can click and just open this folder. So I have checked my folder. So this is our Magento folder, all these files here. Now I'm interested to creating a new module from the scratch. So inside the app folder you can see code. Code is our folder whether we can create our custom module. If it is not there, then you can create manually. Okay, so after that I will go inside code one folder I will create. So this is, I will create Shub, enter. Now inside Shub I will give some company name. So that will be, I will want to give dummy. Okay, so this is our process. Now app, inside app I have created, if it is there then fine, if it is not there then we can create manually. Code, then I will create our company name. This name should be follow the camel method, and this is our module name. So inside the module, like if you are just going to create any custom module in Magento 2, then some files are very necessary to create, at least minimum requirement to create any Magento module. Okay, so I will create two files inside the dummy. First of all, dummy file, registration file. So I will create, this will be a inside dummy registration.php file. Okay, I will save it, and I will create one more folder inside dummy, and that should be etc. Inside etc I will create one more file having name is module.xml. okay, module.xml, and save it inside etc. Okay, so this is just like, those are the minimum requirement of any file to create any custom module. Okay, so I have taken whatever I need to do here. So I will explain each and everything, so please don't mind. Registration.php, and this is our for module.xml. okay, I will explain each and everything. Okay, fine. So those file has been created, and corresponding content. So first of all I will see registration.php. okay, so in the registration.php our company name and module name both are separated with underscore, and it is come inside the Shub is our company name and dummy is our module name. So one company have a several modules, so it should be a constant, and a dummy, cancel order, any other module which we will create, it will comes under Shub. Okay, so this is a registration.php file. It is a mandatory file to create any custom module, and after that inside etc have to create one module.xml file. So this is a XML file, and we will use module tag. So inside module tag we have to define attribute name, that is nothing but our company name and our module name, both are separated by underscore. So it is just like whatever I have created inside registration.php. So after that one more attribute we need to do, setup underscore version. This is very important for creating any custom module. This is a module version, like if you are creating initially, then it should be 1.0.0. then after then if you are creating a module and you want to upgrade our module anything, so this setup version should be upgraded accordingly. So like if you have if you are trying to upgrade our module in further future, then you can give some modules versions. Okay, so after that, creating a registration.php and module.xml, you will have to execute the command. Now I'm going to the terminal. So I am already in our Magento to root directory. So after that, we need to execute the command php bin magento setup upgrade. Okay, and enter. Something is going wrong. php bin magento setup upgrade. Now whatever is happening here, when I'm trying to upgrade this command, then you can see first of all it will clear the cache. Okay, so we can see whatever is happening when I'm executing the upgrade command, then it will first it will clear the cache, and after that it will clean up all the files inside the generated folder. So all the module, you can see all the module is executing during the upgrade, and it is taking a little bit more time because I'm using Windows system to create the video. It will be much more faster than Linux operating system if you will use. So I will show you. I have this is our M24 database we have created. So inside that you have a module setup and table name setup underscore module. Now if you will go there, then you can see our data is registered or not. So I will go to the second column. Now great, you can see here inside module, this module is there, show dummy and schema version and data version. That is nothing but whatever I have given here. So this is a setup version which I will give. Okay, so I will come with the next video soon. Thank you so much.